Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the believer's mother, said, the commencement of divine revelation to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was with good dreams. Whatever dreams he sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw, that became evident as delight. Then he became fond of seclusion and would seek seclusion in the cave of Hira. There he used to stay and worship for many nights before returning to his family and would take the provisions. Then he used to come back to Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha, and she would similarly arrange his food till the truth came to him while he was in the cave of Hira. The angel came to him and said, "Read." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I am not a reader." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He held me and pressed me tight. Then releasing me said, 'Read.' I replied, 'I am not a reader.' He held me and pressed me a second time extremely tight. Then he released me and said, 'Read.' I replied, 'I do not read.' He held me and pressed me the third time. Then releasing me said, 'Read in the name of your Lord, who created. He made men from a clot. Read, and your Lord is the most generous.' Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned with it while his heart was throbbing. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha, daughter of Khuwailid, and said, 'Envelop me in the blanket.' They covered him with the blanket till his fear faded away. Telling Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha the entire experience, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'I am fearful of my life.' Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha replied, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, never, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never disgrace you, because you both stir up bonds of relation, carry the burden of the weak, earn for destitute, serve your guests, and endure hardship in the way of truth.' Thus Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha took him in her cousin Waraqa bin Naufal bin Asad bin Abdul Uzza. He during pre-Islamic period became a Christian and used to be a scribe of Hebrew. He would write in Hebrew from the Gospel whatever Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. He was an old man and had lost his eyesight. Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to him, "O my cousin, listen to your nephew." Waraqa asked him, "O my nephew, what do you see?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam described to him whatever he had seen. Thus Waraqa said to him, "This is the same angel whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had sent towards Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. Would that I were young, I wish I would remain alive to the time when your people would send you in exile." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Will they turn me out?" Waraqa replied, "Yes. Whenever anyone brought the thing what you have brought, he was treated with hostility. If I remain alive till that time, I will strongly support you." After a few days, Waraqa passed away and revelation also paused. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3.